Go see. What's up, Heaven Made gang? This your girl, the creator Mana Bree, back with another video. Yeah, I know y'all missed me, but today is December 1st and I decided to try to do as much vlogs or videos as I can for the month of December. So this is the first one, hopefully, because every time I do a video like this to start off, I always don't do the rest of it. So I'm going to make sure no matter what, because sometimes I like to eat. Sometimes I like to eat and not have to record. Sometimes I like to fold and not to record, but I'm going to make sure that I do that. So right now, I have me and Adil. He's right over there. Amor's in the bathroom. Dravion just got home from school. It is 3:04 p.m. So I'm starting this vlog kind of late, but trust me, I'm gonna try to make it as best as I can. So I'm also in here cooking some dinner, taking off the skin because I don't want no skin on there, because the skin to me is just the outer protection of, you know, what they had to go through. So far so good. Let me get back to it, okay? Say hey, Dravion.
Hello.
And make sure his room clean. See it in the back there. And also make homework. He has some help him with that, and make sure his little brother don't be crying, because that's what he was trying to do. Yeah, I see Zara. Supposed to be a family cat, but it's Jada's cat. Animals help with anxiety and depression. She looked it up and she found out that cats do. So I used to be scared of cats like any other you know, I'm not gonna say black people, because a lot of black people I know got cats, but majority of black people don't really like cats. They say they just don't because they're sneaky and what we, yes, I don't know. But she just like a dog. She even do more things. She like to slam herself on the couch. Yeah, so other than that, she's straight. She got the other cats trying to come to the door. I'm like, no, we're not about to get no more cats. So that's it. But y'all, let me get back to this chicken so I can finish cleaning and then get it in the today I'm just gonna do the slow cooker. All right, y'all.
Me?
Trying to walk. Adil. Yeah, finish cooking this food and getting my day together. Continue to go throughout the day what I'm supposed to be doing. So yeah. All right, y'all. Talk to y'all later. Bye.
Mommy.
Yes. Just gonna be using this rice today. Wanna make sure I got enough. So I'm cutting up my carrots and I'm gonna cut up the potatoes, but before I do, I just wanted to show you all that this is soaking in some apple cider vinegar because it helps more, and you can squeeze some lemon in there and also scrub it with lemon or lime. Lime is actually better. Well, I'm gonna say both of them. But yeah, I put it in there, took the skin off because like I said, I think the skin is the outer layer of protection. Even though meat can be nasty on the inside, so you want to clean your chicken throughout. You don't want to just open the pack and just put it into the pan. It's disgusting and nasty. Okay, so I have it in. I put one more can of cream of chicken. Put the chicken in here. Put the carrots. I put the potatoes. So right now I have it on high, just so it won't take too long, I guess. Say hey. Hey. He a cool baby, so. All right, y'all, let me go over here at them, sit down, and help Dravion. He sleep, so he about to wake up and do his homework. Okay, y'all, he was sleepy, so I'll let him go to sleep. I'm probably gonna hold him probably about 5 minutes so I can make sure that he's asleep, put him down so I can go ahead and do everything else I gotta do. Dravion's sleepy too, so. Hey, Demetrius. Hey. Can I get some? You can get one. Put that, the paper up. Throw that away. Oh, more give it to you.
Here you go. Here you go, Johnny.
Johnny?
Yeah. Johnny. I think.
So, still cooking. This is how it looks. I did come back and push the chicken down, so
Frankenstein? Alright, I can deal with that. I'll call you Frankenstein.
Big Daddy.
Go ahead, bottle it up. From now on, you do whatever you want to do. And I'll show you some cool shit along the way. That's what it's all about. Take care.
The recording.
He and his peas.
Said that he wanted to talk to you about some secret mission or something.
Actually, almost finished.
What you're talking about.
Look at this, y'all. He love his vegetables and fruit. He love his vegetables and fruits, though. Okay, y'all. I told y'all it was gonna be kind of late. I'm editing right now. Everybody else is asleep. Except for Jada. She's on her way to bed right now. I'm about to take my shower after I'm finished editing and lay it down myself, get back ready for tomorrow. So hopefully tomorrow I have some better footage for y'all. This is just day one, so stay tuned, y'all, and like, subscribe, share. Make sure you comment, tell me what you want to see us do or see me do more or talk about in the other videos that y'all like. So yeah, this is day one of VlogMas, and yeah, let's see how many I can do. Stay tuned. Love y'all. Subscribe, like, comment, hit that bell button. Peace.